This place had carpet. It looked pretty bad. It had been 10 years, it had not been taken care of, and had a clean split slate. Instead of paying for someone else's renovations, I got to buy it, engage VGC, and start from scratch. The design process was incredible. We used a 3D model, worked very closely with the design team, and to design exactly what I wanted. And several months later, we're sitting here and it looks just like it did in the design, except better. They were very professional. I was very impressed with the management team and also the estimator. So the whole team worked in unison together, kept me up to date of the milestones. There were delays, and there are always delays in renovation, but they kept me up to speed on how they're going to solve the problems, and they've pulled through very well. Of all the contractors I talked to, they were the only ones that had a real design team in-house. And Christina, who helped me with the design, what made it easy was she would narrow down material selections to here's your top 3 or top 4. She knew what kind of feel I wanted, and then all I had to do was pick which ones of those materials would look best in my space. And the place looks incredible. Oh, the nice thing about doing a custom renovation is you get those little dream things that you always wanted, you get to have. The lead designer had this great idea of, why don't we put barn doors in place? So when you open up the second bedroom, which is actually now a music room, it opens up into guitars on the walls and records on the walls and a real true music room. That was one of the very cool features. Second cool feature is I've always wanted a walk-in shower. I had a standard condo type shower. They gutted it, they put in a walk-in shower. I've got a rain shower up top. I've got 4 massagers on one side, I've got another movable head on the other. And the coolest concept was, I wanted purple rain, like that song, Purple Rain. And they put in LED lights along the track, so when I'm taking a shower in the morning, it comes down purple rain. It's awesome, I just love it. Absolutely already have. Yeah, no, these are the only guys, and when I do another place, I'm using VGC.